Good night. Welcome back to this my Carousel Bus Talk. This is one line sentence on 10 lines meaning. Get started. In this world, the real God is nature. Nature is the real God. The religious God is we are created. We are created the religious God. One who has, in this world, one who has politely, kindness, and politely, kindness, and helping person without selfishness. He is the real God. If he is any religion and any community and any caste, if he is black or white or brown, that's not important. Politely, kindness, helping mind to the poor people without selfishness. He is the real God. He is the real God man, not real God. Nature is the real God. Religious God we are created for ourselves. The nature is the real God. Thank you very much. And share this short all over the world. See you again.